going today?
What's the volcano's name?
Kintamani.
Kintamani. Gee, you got a good memory. I always just call it Mount Agung. Is that the same thing or not?
The mount is the Mount Agung, but then Kintamani is the place.
Sorry.
Hello, Hari.
Hello, how are
Good
you?
morning.
Good
Long time
morning.
no see. 1
Yeah,
month.
how are you? Sorry. Just buy some water.
That's all right.
Oh, good. We need water.
Hello.
Now, Harry, would you like the money up? Do you want the money up front so you can get petrol?
Yeah,
and stuff?
later.
Yeah.
Later. I get the petrol.
So May said it may have gone up. So what do you want now for the day?
Yeah, because you know the petrol.
Yeah, the world,
yeah.
the world. So what do you want for the day
So
now?
where are we going now?
Steve, if it is Kintamani,
Yes.
Ubud,
Okay.
Is that all on the way, Harry?
Yes.
Board in
But
Kintamani?
we're going to Kintamani first, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Kintamani going to the farthest one,
Yes.
and then going down
Yep.
to Ubud, yeah?
yeah,
Harry, do you know too? Is there? We've been there before, but there's
Karingasim.
the Balinese King Palace.
Yeah, the
that's
Karingasim.
on the east.
Yeah, different,
East,
different
but
That's
side.
nowhere different.
So maybe we can do that. If
Wednesday.
Not tomorrow or after tomorrow, yeah?
Are you busy Wednesday?
Tomorrow I still have a
Tomorrow's Tuesday.
pickup, yeah?
What about Wednesday?
What it is? Fire, fire.
That's the third one.
Fire,
That's the third one.
Yeah.
So it must be a good fire.
Yeah.
fire.
Oh yeah, the big smoke over there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Black.
Oh.
Where is it?
That's not good.
Oh, I hope it's not our hotel.
No.
But that's three. Three fire trucks have gone past.
Yeah. Okay.
So Wednesday, do you think you're busy Wednesday?
Wednesday, tomorrow.
Tomorrow's Tuesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday we go east, yeah? And then tomorrow I'm gonna pick up people from there.
Very good. We are here in Kintamani.
With our very dead little daughter.
Very good. Dali lang picture ta lang. Taking photo. Oh, I like this one. Purple smoothies bowl. As always, she is sleeping when we...
Oh, feel that. Oh,
Cool.
feel the cool breeze.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. So, dear, is that the volcano?
Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2.
Juice.
Juice lang ta kay init man.
Oh, is it?
So mag-order lang mi. Hello.
We're not going to eat here, we'll just have juice. We're going to eat it probably ACK or
How are you?
JFC or something.
Can I please have 1 dragon purple smoothie bowl?
Purple smoothie bowl.
And then also 2 single blended juice.
Single, which one you want juice? We have the single with the dragon, mango.
Yeah, 2 of those.
With what?
Single blended juice, dragon fruit,
2, yeah?
and avocado.
It's a mix, right?
No. One dragon fruit and one avocado.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay na. Diri isbog. Sige, pagpaitom jud diha. Isbog.
Just come in the shade over here. Just bring your chair over here.
Isbog diri ma. Isbog ba? Dapat ni Steve. Diri ba? Hinaya rapod bang natulog ning isa. So order kami og purple smoothie bowl for $3.80 and $3.01 for one dragon fruit and one avocado.
So that's quite cheap back in Kuta. At our place where we have nasi goreng, your fruit juices are only about $1.80. So but you're paying for the beauty.
It's not open. Still hard.
Oh, some. Thank you. Does Mum want one too or not?
Oh no. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's okay. I'll keep that for this. Just keep that there.
Leave it. Thank
Thank you.
you. Ko asa si Kristen lang basing. Oh, ikaw. Give it to Mom di.
That's all right.
Okay, all good. All good.
Easy. Wow. Easy.
At least ayo tandog-tanduga. Naan sarang po diyang tunggan. Yeah, just here. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you so
Wow.
much.
Look at that. Gee.
So it's dragon fruit and avocado for $3.10.
That's good. That's good.
Very good. Sige na. Because Christine, if she wakes up, I can give her. Oh, sige, ikaw na anak ma. Ang ako kay boy. Do you want some beer? Yum. So while you're enjoying these photos, guys, well, hopefully you are enjoying, because honestly, this is the best destination if you are in Bali. In Kintamani, you can enjoy these refreshments and the view, and also this is the coldest part of Bali. So in Bali or Kuta, it could be 32 degrees. Meanwhile, here can be 17 degrees. So 10 degrees lower or 5 degrees lower. So it is indeed refreshing here.
Hello.
Are we checking out? Bill out?
Already.
So happy kaayo nga ako ang anak, ako, kami tanan, kay nabugnawan pud no. tuwa sa kuta as in panington ka. Pero diri kuan lang mura siya winter. So refreshing. So tanan malipayon. So maura ni guys, salamat kayo sa pagtan-aw. Please like, subscribe and make comment. Thank you.